Good morning friends, welcome to our channel Team Success Redefined. Friends, today in this video I am going to give you a short and simple information about the Assure Natural product range 2.0. So let's start the video. In this video I am going to tell you about Assure Natural Multifunctional Oil. Benefits: it is rich in antioxidant and it gives deep moisturizing. It gives ultra moisturizing and hydration. It smoothens and also controls the frizzy hairs. This multifunctional oil comes with multiple benefits. How to use it? Step 1. Apply oil onto the body. Step 2. Gently rub and massage for few minutes. Step 3. Leave it for at least 30 minutes and your skin and hair will get a complete moisturization and become healthy. You can also use it in place of massaging cream. Do these steps thrice in a week and you will see the difference. Friends, you can easily use these products because they are made with natural ingredients. They are cruelty free and they are paraben free. All these Assure Natural Range 2.0 is beta certified and dermatologist tested and proven. Use these products according to your skin type. Thank you so much for listening me and I hope you all will like the information about the product. So if you like the video and then please like it, share it and subscribe to our channel Team Success Redefined. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get the prior notification of our upcoming videos. Thank you so much and wish you wealth.